Hey everyone, this is question number 14 from the Chapter 2 homework assignment, and I wanted to point this out to you only because you're asked to do some cleaning up of your data. So we just want to work with the met and variable in this data set, and we want to compute the mean and median, and then they ask us some questions about some data values, in particular 999.9, what those mean, and then we're asked to remove those numbers and compute a new mean and median. So I did want to show you how to do that. So here's my CrunchIt data. Let me close this window. And the only thing I'm interested in is this column of this last one. This is met and. So I'm going to go to my statistics menu and my descriptive statistics, and I'm just going to select met and. And when I calculate that, these are my numbers. But there are a couple 999s in that data set. So for example, there's this one here and that one there. And those two could possibly throw off some of my answers in these descriptive statistics. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through my met and data. And I'm holding down my command key in the Mac to select multiple cells. And so every time I see a 999, I'm just going to click on my command key and click on the cell. And then if I direct your attention up to the left-hand corner where it says Edit, I want to delete the selected cells, and it removes those questionable data values. And now I can go back and compute my statistics again. So I go back to descriptive statistics, select met and do my calculation, and you can see the sample mean and the median have changed because I've taken those extreme values out. So I wanted to show you how to clean up that data, which is what you're being asked to do. And again, I hope this video has been helpful, and let me know if you have any questions about this.